the graph of trigonometric equations y equal to 2 sin 3x plus 1, y equal to 2 cos 3x plus 1 and y equal to 2 tan 3x plus 1. First of all, we will pick the informations from here. For y equal to 2 sin 3x plus 1, the amplitude is 2, the period is 360 degree by 3, that means 120 degree, and the neutral line is y equal to 1. So the maximum is neutral line plus amplitude, that means 3. The minimum is neutral line minus amplitude, that means minus 1. We all know that the shape of sin x looks like this. So we will draw this shape here with a period of 120 degree. And the median line here is y equal to 1 line. So it will increase an amount equal to amplitude. So it will increase 2 unit, then it will cross the neutral line at 60 degree, the half of the period. At 90 degree it will reach its minimum, that means minus 1, and finally at the period at 120 degree it will cross again the neutral line. The maximum is 3 and the minimum is minus 1. So this one is done. Now what about that? Here the amplitude is 2, the period is 360 degree divided by 3, that means 120 degree. The neutral line is y equal to 1, the maximum is 1 plus 2, that means 3. The minimum is 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. You can clearly see that these two informations are exactly same here because I set those example in this way. Now I will use a trick to draw the curve of cosx, and this trick is even more easier, and you can use this trick for sin 2. We all know that the shape of cosx is like this. At first we will draw the shape of cosx without any notation of amplitude or period. The shape of cosx looks like this. Now at first we will focus on neutral line. The neutral line is this one, y equal to 1 line. The maximum is 3, so this is 3, this is 1, and the minimum is minus 1. So this is minus 1. So this one is our neutral line. So where will be the x-axis situated? It will be placed here. So this one is x-axis. X-axis will be situated at the position where the value of y is 0. So in between 1 and minus 1. Now we will use the period here at the end point. The period was 120. We will divide it in half. This point will be 60 degree. This point is 30 degree and this point is 90 degree. And this is the curve of y equal to 2 cos 3x plus 1. And we can use this trick to draw y equal to 2 sin 3x plus 1 2. Let's see. Draw this curve again using the trick that we have learned right now. At first let's draw the shape of sin x. This line is the neutral line, so this line is y equal to 1. What is the maximum line? Maximum line is 3. Minimum line is minus 1. 3, 1, minus 1. So this one is 0 and here will be the x-axis. So the end point here will be the period, that means 120. The half of 120 is 60 degree, half of 60 is 30 degree, this one is 90 degree. So this shape is y equal to 2 sin 3x plus 1. And this one is y equal to 2 cos 3x plus 1. Now what about 2 tan 3x plus 1? Its period is 180 divided by 3, that means 60 degree, and its neutral line is y equal to 1. Now let's draw the shape of tan x first. The shape of tan x looks like this. You all know that here we place an 180. Before I showed it like this way. This one is 180, this one is 360, and look carefully here that this one is a replica of this one, so we can draw up to this point. Its period is 180 degree. So we have drawn the shape of tan x. So what is the neutral line? Neutral line is y equal to 1. So this line is y equal to 1 here. And in case of tan x, there is no amplitude. So the x-axis will be just below the line y equal to 1. So we can say that this one is our x-axis. The end point will be the value of period 60 degree, and this point will be its half 30 degree. So we have drawn y equal to 2 tan 3x plus 1. This video is very important for you because this type of question, sketch this or this, will frequently appear in your O-level exam, and you must know how to draw them to answer your question.